In this session, we will learn how to use the solid edge gold seek feature. So here you can see when you go to the inspect tab, there is a button which is called gold seek. The particular gold seek is the command which is useful to achieve a specific geometric conditions using some design variables. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will create a simple sketch here. So this is my front view. I will select that front view. Here I will draw a simple rectangular of dimension 100 by 100. Now I will extrude this sketch up to 100 mm. Okay. Now my block is ready. I will apply material to this block. Suppose I have applied steel material. Okay. Then you have to go to the tools variables. Here you can see all the variables available here. So here this is the mass of the block, which is 7.83 kg. Now here you can see dimensions also, like this is. Here you have to select all the dimensions. Okay, here you can see the mass, and here you can see the dimensions 100 and 100. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to currently here you can see the mass of the block is 7.833 kg. I want to achieve this up to the 5 kg. For that purpose, I want to reduce the height of this block. So instead of guessing the length, what I will do, I will go to the goal seek feature. Here, what you want to achieve? I want to achieve a mass. Then what is your target mass? So here, my target mass is 5 kg. And what parameter you want to change? I want to change the depth. Okay, then you can simply click on accept. Your model automatically get modified, and just close this. And again you can go to properties. Here you can see your final block dimension mass will be 5 kg. Similarly you can achieve other goals also. Here you can achieve uh, other properties like surface area, volume. Okay, similarly you can use this tool for other purposes. Thank you.